In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image freely using the crop tool in Photoshop. Cropping is one of the quickest ways to refine composition, remove distractions, or reframe your subject. When you crop without constraints, you're not locked into a preset size or aspect ratio, which gives you complete control over the width and height of your final image. This is especially useful when you're experimenting with different looks or preparing visuals that don't need a specific format yet. First, select the crop tool. You can find it in the toolbar on the left, represented by the square icon with overlapping corners, or simply press the C key on your keyboard. As soon as the tool is active, you'll see a bounding box appear around your image with handles at the corners and midpoints. The area outside the box may dim, helping you focus on what will remain. Think of this bounding box as your new frame. Next, look to the options bar at the top of the screen and set the ratio drop down to clear, sometimes labeled unconstrained. This tells Photoshop you don't want to follow a preset ratio like 1:1 or 16:9. Clearing the ratio ensures that you're completely free to define both sides of your crop independently, which is perfect for custom compositions or when you're exploring different shapes. Now, drag the crop handles to shape your frame, pull from any corner to adjust two sides at once, or from the middle handles to move a single edge. You can also click and drag inside the box to reposition the image within your selected frame. As you work, pay attention to your subject's placement and the balance of empty space. You may notice a faint grid overlay. Use it as a guide to align key elements along the intersections for a stronger composition. Take your time here. Small changes to the crop can dramatically change the story.